Over the years, Worthington at Township Square has become somewhat of an iconic example of what a live, work, play community should look like. Homeowners in this community find that they have shopping amenities, they have fitness amenities, they have entertaining amenities, all within a close distance. Within the community itself, there's 26 acres of open space that includes parks, gazebo gathering areas, walking trails, with every major thoroughfare that runs through Lancaster within just several miles. Commuting from here is a breeze. Homes in the community are going to range from 1,700 square feet to well over 4,000 square feet. Many of the floor plans that are offered in Worthington and Township Square are exclusive to this neighborhood. They offer characteristics and architectural details that you typically only see in a much higher priced home in a more exclusive community. The model here at Worthington is a very popular Manchester English cottage. It has a little bit of a European flair to it. We're featuring stone archways from the front that carry in through the entry door. It features over 3,300 square feet on the first and second floor, with another 752 square feet in the finished basement. The garden kitchen is featured. It has floor-to-ceiling cabinets with in-cabinet lighting. We also have a covered patio that has a two-sided fireplace, which comes through from the two-story family room. The second floor of this home features an expansive owner suite. That particular owner suite has a tray ceiling, some decorative windows which add a lot of natural light into the room. The Venetian bath features an expansive tiled walk-in shower with a body spray system, a freestanding deep soaking tub, which is highly regarded. Worthington at Township Square has become one of Manheim Township's premier addresses. With its prime location and rich amenities, homes that are energy efficient and structurally sound, Worthington is a natural place to want to call home.